Hello everyone. Whenever you install NX, you won't find all of the commands on the ribbon. To get those commands back, you will have to change the role. So to change the role, here you have the options called role. Just click on that, and in the contents, you have to set the advanced as a role. Just click on the advanced, click on OK. So this is how you can change the role of your NX. So now you can see all of the commands are available for use. Now you want to change the user interface of the tool. So for that you will have to go to the file option. In the file, here you have the preferences. In the preferences, you have user interface. Just click on the user interface. In the user interface, you will find the theme option. Just click on the theme, and in the type, you have these four options. For me, I want a dark mode, so I will click on the dark and click on OK. Just click on OK. So this is how you can change the theme of NX to the dark. If you want to change the background as a black, so just right click on the window, and here you will find the background option. From here you can change to the dark gray. This is it for this video. Thanks for watching, and please do like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.